If you're a Synvestable Premium member, you get access to a variety of special tools within the portfolio section to help you construct the perfect portfolio strategy. One of these features is being able to automatically reset a portfolio's value to your total investable capital. Oftentimes when we're doing research, we just add a random number of shares into a portfolio without really giving any thought as to how it fits into our total financial picture and our total capital available to invest. We account for this tendency during the research phase by allowing you to retroactively set your portfolio value even after stocks have been added to it. For example, let's say during my research I constructed the following portfolio, only to realize that I actually don't have $100,000 investable capital, but I have $200,000 to invest instead. To set a new portfolio value, just click on the Actions button in the portfolio summary and click Set Portfolio Value. Enter the desired portfolio value, which in my case is $200,000, and click OK. Synvestable will automatically adjust the number of shares for each position to match the new portfolio value as seen in the table below. And it does so while keeping your allocations exactly the same. To persist the changes, just click Yes, otherwise click No, and the number of shares will reset. Another premium feature of Synvestable is the Auto-Diversification feature. Again, during the research phase, sometimes we have a tendency to just add stocks into portfolios without giving any thought into our overall strategy, including our diversification mix. Diversification is the only free lunch when it comes to risk management, so we want to make sure that we're squeezing as much as we can out of it. Synvestable makes this easy without having to calculate sector allocations manually. Just click the Actions button in the Gains-Loss table and click Rebalance Portfolio. You'll be prompted if you want to rebalance your portfolio by either sector or by market cap, depending on what your overall portfolio strategy dictates. In my case, I'm going to diversify across sectors. So Synvestable will automatically rebalance the number of shares in each position so that I'm perfectly diversified across all the sectors within the portfolio. You can always preview any actions before you have to commit to them. So if you're happy with the allocations, just click Yes to persist. And now you're perfectly diversified.